Hello, we are back with another exciting problem in our trigonometry series. If cosec pi over 32 plus cosec pi over 16 plus cosec pi over 8 plus cosec pi over 4 plus cosec pi over 2 equals cot pi over k, what's the value of k? Let's dive into the solution step by step. We start by expressing term 1 as cosec x, where x is pi over 32. It can be written as 1 over sine x. And now we divide and multiply by sine x by 2. You might have this question in your mind that why we are doing this. We are doing this manipulation to get all the terms in the form of cot. Why? Because the right hand side was given in the form of cot. Now by applying sine a minus b formula in the numerator and simplifying, we will get term 1 equals cot x by 2 minus cot x. And in the similar manner, we can get t2, t3 and t4. But t5 is equal to 1. Why? Because t5 was equal to cosec pi over 2 and cosec pi over 2 is 1. Now adding all these terms, we'll get the left hand side, right? Which is 1 plus cot x by 2 minus cot 8x. And now we replace back the value of x, which was pi over 32. So we get 1 plus cot pi over 64 minus cot pi over 4. We know that cot pi over 4 is 1. So you'll have 1 minus 1 cancel out. And we're left with left hand side equals cot pi over 64. And what was your right hand side? That was cot pi over k. So there you have it. The value of k is 64 and the correct option is option 1. If you enjoyed this challenge and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next video. Happy learning.